Today I want to talk briefly about a new ground vapor barrier that YCS has for 2021. The YCS 16 mil vapor barrier is really developed, again, out of need, specifically from contractors. We've noticed in the market there's been some products that have arose since the development of our YCS 14 mil vapor barrier that have been in that 16 to 18 mil range. So we wanted to put something out there that was technically similar, but still had all the same great properties and qualities that YCS products have. So the YCS 16 mil vapor barrier is going to come in one size. It's going to be 12 foot by 100. The product has got a bright white finish on both sides. It's going to have a little bit tighter weave than our YCS 14 mil vapor barrier. It's going to be a little bit stronger, a little bit tougher, a little bit thicker. A great product to compete with any other 16 mil liners on the market, or even with a 20 mil string reinforced product. Really professional look when installed, and like all YCS vapor barriers, really good puncture resistance and really good tear resistance once punctured. If you have any questions about the YCS 16 mil vapor barrier, visit our website or give us a call today.